Namaste, salam, and hello to all my soul friends. How are you all today? Okay, I hope you are doing good in this pandemic situations. Okay, myself Mumtaz, the founder of Healing Heaven Global, would like to invite you for this small presentation. Please pay attention. Maybe this 30 minutes presentation can change your life. I request all of y'all to pay attention and see this presentation. We have been conducting very powerful, intensive, effective spiritual soul and karmic healing workshops since last 13 years. So if you have to ask me, why am I saying all this to you? Now I feel that time has come that I as a person has to reach out to people to tell the abilities and the capabilities of the human truth, the reality of a human being. When we talk about the humanity, when we talk about human being, we have round about only four problems. Okay, so it can be the health issue, the relationship issue, the money issue, and the negative energy problems. In case we have to get deep into it, let me just get deep into it. We have three levels of bodies. We have three levels of bodies, that is physical, astral, and causal. Okay, the physical body where I can touch you, you can touch me, we can feel. And the auric body, the astral body, the emotional body, it is unseen. It's like a protection shield around us. Okay, then we have the causal body, that is the spirit body, that is the highest self. If I have to tell you, the causal body of yours knows everything what is going to happen in your life. Like for example, if you're 10 years old, what is going to happen? When you're 11 years old, what is going to happen? It's like from the time you are born till that time you are going to take the last breath of your life, the causal body of yours, that is the highest self of yours, knows everything. Then why do we need to run after anyone to tell us what is going to happen to us? And nobody can able to change anybody's life except it's you, that is your physical, your astral, and the causal alignment of three bodies can able to change your life. Okay, now when I say the physical body, we can call it as a star. When we talk about the causal body, we can call it as superstar. Can you able to see this auric body, astral body, the emotional body? It is huge. It is huge. The person who's having problem like physical pain or emotional pain, it can be emotional problems, mental problems, psychical problem, or negative energy problem. Everything is staying in the auric field, auric body, the astral body, the emotional body, where we are bringing our own karmic impressions also from our past life. Okay, now let us get little more deeper. Okay, now let's get into the physical body problems. Can you able to see, you start talking about blood pressure, high or low, heart issues, hyperacidity, gastric problem, ulcer, migraine, tension, headaches, asthma problem, breathing problems, chronic backaches, arthritis, knee issues, kidney diseases, diabetes, blood issues, stomach issues, allergies, and skin problems. There are n number of problems what we have in physicality. Okay, that is our physical body. When we talk about emotional problem, oh my god, you can able to read it out, starting from stress, tension, addiction of behavior, people and patterns, fear, anger, anxiety, depression and suppression, guilty, heavy hearted, full of grudges, aggression, irritability, agitation. There are n number of emotional body problems. You can just take the screenshot of this presentation. You can read it out later on. So can you able to see this, the emotional body problems and the physical body problems? Okay, these three bodies, that is physical, astral, causal body, the astral body, the auric body, the emotional body is like a protection shield. Okay, the person as of now who's suffering the physical problem, like this physical body problem, that person must have already gone through the emotional body problems. Okay, once the emotional body problem started affecting the person, when it is going to affect the person, when the emotional body, the it's like a protection shield, when it gets damaged, when it's get damaged with our own thought process, or with our own karmic impressions, or with our own negative energy problems. Okay, when this astral body gets affected because of all these karmic impressions, then when it gets damaged, then the person is going to have the physical problem. So now the question is, can we protect ourselves before any disease can get into our physical problem? Can we able to stop that in one point? For that, we need to get connected to our causal body. The alignment of physical, astral, causal body can lead you to healthy and happy life. Okay, now can you able to see this? The auric body, the astral body, the emotional body. This is the body, the real recording of the auric body of a human being. Can you able to see the light around? Because we are the light being from the light world, we have to keep shining. The moment the light gets disappeared, or maybe when it becomes low in power, then the person will start having problems. The problems can be like this. When we talk about emotional problem, the problem all starts from our own thought processes. Okay, now let us get into it. In fact, I must say, the doctors and the healers can be our own friends, but we are the spiritual doctor and spiritual healer to ourselves. All human beings are being born with this, the great ability of healing, but somehow we ignore the reality of our potentials and the soul capabilities. But ultimately, we are the soul being on this earth with our own lessons and learnings, and at the same time with lots of blessings. Okay, now this is just a request. Please do not compare this program with any other alternative medicines or treatment, because it is really God gifted program. If I have to tell you, we have seen the miracles happening in Healing Heaven Global during the workshops. So when we have to come back to our physical problem and emotional problem, again, can you able to see this arrow here? Okay, all these are the astral body problem, that is emotional body problem. There are n number of, I have mentioned only 20, but it can be more than that. When we talk about physical problem, there are 16 I have mentioned, but it can be more than that. Okay, so but after going through all this emotional body problem, once the astral body, that is auric body, get damaged because of all this thought level, all this problem, then it start getting affecting to the physical problem. Can you able to see this red arrow? Yeah, that is the reality. Okay, once again I'm telling you, we have 3 levels of body, that is physical, astral, causal. The alignment of these 3 bodies are important to have a happy and healthy life. Okay, so it's like we are the star, we have to get connected to the superstar, because the superstar, your causal body, knows everything about your life. It is like our soul master print, destined print. So everything, it has the records of your life, what is going to happen, what had already happened. Yes, forget about what had happened. Can we know what is going to happen? At the same time, how can we balance our life after knowing the truth? So we know where to control, and we know how to react, and we know how we can be a very good human being on this earth. Yes. So now let us connect our 2 minds. That is, everyone knows we have 2 minds, that is conscious and subconscious mind. can we convert this subconscious mind abilities into spirituality, spiritual powers? So if I have to say, the garden, that is 90% of subconscious mind is your garden, and the 10% conscious mind is you are the gardener of your life, that is 10%. So can you able to see the thin layer between these two, the thin layer of thought? Okay, now let us take the example of mind. We have two minds, that is subconscious mind and the conscious mind. When we talk about subconscious mind, it is 90% what we have. When we talk about conscious mind, it is only 10%. It is like divine bridge between the minds. It's like divine bridge between the two minds. So when we talk about this bridge, it is a very thin layer of thought, Garden we have, that is 90% of subconscious mind. If I have to tell in spirituality, in our language, it is the garden. When we talk about the 10% of our conscious mind, it is the gardener, that is yourself. So the gardener has to take care of the garden. Okay, 90% is the garden, 10% is your own conscious mind. So the layer between these two minds is your life. Okay, now can you able to think the thin layer of thought, what is the name of the thought? Okay, I won't be telling you that. Okay, now you have to think yourself. Okay, the thin layer of thought, what is the name of the thought which is creating your life? Okay, you reap what you sow is a proverb that goes back thousands of years. But here comes the karmic impression of our life. Whatever we have sensed, felt and thought about during any lifetime. It can be present or it can be many past lives. Okay. So the karmic impressions are like, here, you can see we are putting the seeds into the garden. So whatever the seeds we have put in our garden as a gardener, that is what we are going to reap. Again, I am repeating, whatever the seeds we have put into our garden as a gardener, this is what we are going to reap. Maybe tomorrow, maybe after 4 days, maybe after 4 years, or maybe after 40 years, or maybe the next lifetime. Okay, so whatever we are going to sow, we are going to reap. So what I want to say here is, in Healing Heaven Global, okay, this is once again I would like to say, all the processes, all the divine techniques are God gifted. Okay, I am not a certified healer, but these most powerful divine techniques are created so many miracles in our lifetime. In this 13 years, we have seen the miracles happening. Okay, very, very powerful, intensive, effective spiritual soul and karmic healing workshop, what we have been conducting since last 13 years. You have any problem, it can be emotional, it can be physical, it can be mental, it can be psychical, it can be spiritual. Whatever problem you have, you just have to close your eyes, listen to your heart. If you feel to get connected to us, just simply get connected to us and we are here to help you. There are n number of going through lot of problem, lots and lots of problem during this pandemic. That's the reason I'm creating this video. I thought this is high time that I should get into promoting Healing Heaven Global. At least let people know what we are doing. Yes, okay. So what we are trying to heal or cure any emotional problem, any physical problem from the root cause level with self-realization. It's like root cause level with self-realization. It's like powerful divine techniques with the help of the divine light beings. When I say with the help of the divine light being, I am just acting as a servant. I am just acting as a medium. I am just acting as a like Zariya, what we call in Hindi. Okay, I am just going to be the a layer between you and your own divine beings. Okay, so When I'm acting as a servant, it just flows from the divine what exactly you're going through. But there are many people, they must have gone through lot of treatment where physical allopathic medicines or maybe alternative therapies, but still they are not getting cured. That time you have to ask your soul what is missing in your soul. Okay, the soul wants to tell something and you're doing something else, so there is a clash between you and your soul being. Okay, so what we are just trying, where all the unwanted roots which you have already put in this lifetime or many past life, that is what we are trying to get out of your garden. This is the pure God gift what God has given in this hand according to the messages, according to the dreams. So this is what I am doing. Okay, so now, okay, the vision and mission of Healing Heaven Global is transforming the real you with divine you in just 2 days. This is the very powerful, intensive healing workshop where in 2 days you will transform yourself. That is like guaranteed, 100% guaranteed. Till now, we have not seen a person gone dissatisfied. It's always people have been satisfied 100%. And like the life changing program, I would like to please request to those people, do not run out. Again, I'm telling you, the doctors and healers can be our friends, but we are the spiritual doctors and spiritual healer to ourselves and the family. Unless it is really serious matter, then you go to the doctors or maybe you can go to any practitioners. But when God has given the ability, why can't we utilize this ability? The sixth sense abilities, with these abilities we can able to change our life. Okay, yes, teachers can teach and inform, but we are the but masters can transform life. That is exactly what we do in Healing Heaven Global. Okay, the most powerful effective techniques can able to change your life, because with your own self realization you are going to take out all the seeds unwanted from your garden. Yeah, so it is like bringing your real you from the divine you. Yeah, okay. Now when we talk about again vision and mission is the life changing transforming platform to know the unknown and to see the unseen. So in this you must have got the message what we are dealing with. Yes, we are dealing the beyond five senses. The five senses abilities what God has given, that is okay, we are dealing beyond that, that is the six sense abilities. So HG, that is Mumtaz, myself, the serving soul, creates the masters and healers and spiritual doctors for your own life and for your own family. When we talk about all the five senses, we are not going to deal with five senses because everyone knows what is five senses. So the workshop is all about these beyond five senses, that is six sense abilities. Okay, the six sense abilities starting from your inner gut feeling, intuition, extrasensory perception, inner sensing, seeing or feeling the unseen and the hunches. When we talk about clairvoyance, clairsentience, clairaudience, gustance, empathy, all these abilities we are going to activate in this 2 days workshop. Okay, it's like HH is guaranteeing the results after the practical divine advanced effective intensive processes. You will come to know who you are, what you are, why are you here, why these things are happening in your life. So after knowing each and everything about, it's like you're opening your own book and seeing, oh, this is me, then why do we need to sit and cry? Okay, that is exactly happens in Healing Heaven Global, where you will open your own book of your life with learnings and lessons. After knowing, then you know how to balance yourself, how you can be in contentment. Okay, so the balancing of these three bodies, again, physical, astral and causal, these three bodies, the balancing and alignment of these three bodies can able to lead you to a very happy life and the healthy life, because health is wealth, I must say. Without health, I think nothing can be more important than the health. Yeah. Okay, we are the energy being and the light being. Can you able to just see this again? It is like this is a real camera taken by a special camera, Kirlian camera. You can able to see the light, how much you are shining. It's not captured the blood, neither the bones. It has captured the light, how much you are lighting, how much you are shining. So our body is our primary creation, the vehicle we have chosen to express us in this physical world. Any disease, emotional, physical, mental, psychical, is a message from our bodies telling us that some way we are not following our true energy or supporting our feelings with the help of our spirit. Yeah, please, I think it's a big message I'm trying to give you. Try to understand. Can you see this? The raw corn is shining after it is cooked. You can see the shining is gone. Okay, the same thing goes with the tomato. Yeah, again, we are the light beings from the light world. Can you see the light around, in the hand? So this is exactly, we are shining the full body because we are the light being from the light world. We should never forget who we are. So it's like what we think, it's this, and what we are is this. The moment you start thinking that I am the light being from the light world, I don't have any blood, I don't have any bones, I am just a light, I need to keep shining like a shining star, then all of your problems will get solved. I mean it, I'm telling you. This is exactly what we have been doing, where we have seen the miracles happening in n number of people. Okay. So when we talk about all the aspect of your life, by God grace, we have created this wonderful 2 days workshop. It's like, who needs to do this workshop? I have just written, there are 26 points. Please go through the website healingheavenglobal.com. You can able to get to see all the details. Why do you need to do this workshop, for whom it is, and all the benefits. If I have to talk about all the benefits here, remove the stress. It's starting from stress. I'm talking about all the emotional problems, all the physical problems, because the moment you can cure your emotional problem, most of the physical problem will be gone automatically. Okay, because of the damaging our emotional body, we get affected by our physical problem. Okay, so you can please go through all the benefits and achievements in the site, the website healingheavenglobal.com. You can come to know there are 25 points what I have mentioned here. Okay, so please go through it. Again, I'm requesting, please spend some time, this half an hour, to see this video to the fullest and gain the knowledge. And if you feel, if your heart says yes, I need to get connected to Healing Heaven Global, just get connected to us, and we are here to help you by hook or crook. We are trying to help you. Okay, please, there are many people keep calling, I'm into depression, I'm into this problem, I feel like committing suicide. Oh my God, there are n number of messages I have been receiving since last 1 year. That is the main reason I'm creating this video and trying to promote the services what we are doing. Yeah, please. Okay, it's like trying to transform people. The biggest the highest intention what we have here is trying to transform people to raise the highest dimension, being on the third dimension. Yes, so maybe just a small testimony, you can just listen, please.
Hello, I'm K. John. See, I go to so many places for the last 40 years, but I see the first time this madam, she is really directly connected with heaven and bringing the angels to down and get the work done, not one or two, it is more than half dozen, and all the problem is solving. In the last 60 years I am suffering from so many problems. My own problem is solved. I am going free from all the devils and connected with heaven and going. I am very thankful. It is my biggest luck in my life. Thank you. Thank you. Allah.
Okay, so during the workshops, it is like again is a question mark. I really don't know. If you have to ask me, even I don't know how this happens, but the miracle does happen. There are some ORB pictures, the light spheres get captured. Can you able to see these pictures? Okay, these are, please, there is no editing. If I have to do the editing, I don't think I'll be sitting in this place. Okay, please try to understand. And there is no editing, no Photoshop and all. This is the real original pictures of our during the workshop. The picture has been captured with a Sony camera. Okay, see, can you able to see this? One of the mobile as well as the Sony camera, we capture. Sometimes the ops come, sometimes it doesn't come. Yeah, just see this. It's like most wonderful original photographs of the advanced spiritual workshop, the most amazing evidence of the enlightened being presence during the healing workshop. So these are the miracles happens here. Yeah, okay, there are so many here. Okay, again, this photograph is like a still a question mark for me in my life. Can you able to see this figure? Even till now I don't know which angel, which archangel this is, but definitely whenever we call the archangel, whenever we call the masters, they appear in Healing Heaven Global. One of the uncles saying, I have been he is a bhakt of, like, devotee of Krishna. He said, I'm 75 years old now, but I know Krishna very well than you, but I know him, but I never met him. You just made me meet him. It's a very big thing what he said. So all the healing processes are going to happen with the blessings of your own archangel, with your own spirit guides, like, all your masters. Whatever the faith, whatever the belief you have, you will get connected to them. They will come and cure you. That is 100% the truth of Healing Heaven Global. I am acting as a servant. I am acting as a medium. Okay, but whatever they do, whatever they give it to me, I just give it to you. I'm just like a funnel. It comes and goes. There is no filtration. Yeah, okay. And see again some of the good pictures. The energy has been captured here. Yes. Oh, so wonderful it is. Okay. People are being cured. There are so many illnesses. When we talk about this lady was having thyroid for 17 to 18 years, she said, ma'am, I'm really fed up of having the medicines, and maybe she needs to go for operations and all. Then she said, I told her, you do this workshop. After the workshop, the process what we teach is self-corrective healing. You do the process for 40 days. After 40 days, maybe you can go for the operation if you feel like. In 28 days, she got cured. Then when she went to see the doctor said, you don't need the operation. What did you do? She just smiled and said, you go and meet my ma'am, Mumtaz ma'am. So like that, in 28 days, she can able to cure herself the thyroid, which was really, troubling her for 17 to 18 years. So like that, there are so many miracles. Yeah. Okay. So in case I have to talk about one more miracle, the person was not getting married for 5 years. After 5 years, in this 5 years, every time the marriage gets called off for whatever reason. So maybe 3 days before, or 5 days before, or maybe 1 month ago, or maybe 1 week ago, for whatever reason. So during that time, when the person came for the workshop, he did the workshop. Oh, it was a curse which was following. That person, it's like, let me just tell you the story. Like, this college going guys, they were going to the college, they were going to Goa. When they were going to Goa, by mistake, they happened to hit a lady. And the lady, they never bothered to see what had happened to that lady. They just ran away. While they were coming back to Bombay, at that patch of the place, where the accident took place, the car stopped for 8 times. 8 times. They called the mechanic. Somehow they came, came back to Bombay. It is now been 25 years. In these 25 years, okay, the soul of that woman had come to healing heaven to get release and to make that person also release. So we have a very, very advanced, effective techniques, the divine techniques, where the soul had come, they got released, they have spoken. Then she came and told, why did you not see me after hitting me? At least you should have put me into some hospital or maybe somebody's house. You would have given me some water. Maybe I would have got saved. But you already killed me. Along with me, you have killed my own child. That time she was pregnant. So that lady curse was following this guy. You understanding what I'm saying? What I am saying is very beyond normal words. It's not a normal words what I'm using here. Okay, that soul of the lady coming here and getting release is very important. So after the process of forgiveness, both of them they get released, the person who's alive, the person who's not alive. Okay, and after the workshop he gets married after 2 to 3 months. Then he calls me, ma'am, I just wanted to thank you. I have been waiting for this moment. After the honeymoon, he just calls me. Okay. So like this, there are n number of miracles. The lady coming, she wanted to have a child, but somehow the doctor is saying you don't have a fallopian tube. How can you have a baby? Like that. I just told her at that time, if you feel there is a big doctor sitting upon you, then just come and sit here for 2 days. And she came and did the workshop. In February, she did the workshop. March, she conceived, and this December, she delivered. So like that, n number of miracles had happened. And if you have any kind of queries, like the FAQs, like is there any religious talk here? No, please, there are no religion talk at all. It is like you can have, you can believe in any religion. Okay, it's like your own masters and archangel will be coming to heal you according to your faith and belief. The light beings, they don't have any religion in the higher dimensions. Okay, so this is the wonderful healing workshops what we have been conducting and transforming n number of people, thousands of people. Now we are having an intention to reach out to people to help those who are in need. Yeah. And the second FAQ, in case you feel a person has to be really having a physical problem and emotional problem, only those person can able to do the workshop. Not necessary. It's like you can the workshop can be for all sort of people, all walks of life, starting from housewife, working woman, old age people, diseased person, like emotional or physical, men from all level, all the alternative therapists like Reiki masters, pranic healers. When they come and do the workshop, after the workshop they will just tell you, ma'am, ये तो सबका बाप है, this is the father of all the healing therapies what we have been learning. So when they say like that, I feel very I feel so nice, because I don't know what is happening in the world, but I'm just doing whatever they are telling me to do. Okay. And also many students from the other known gurus, they are following him, but still when they come and do the workshop, they just say this is just not advanced, but it is super advanced spiritual workshop. So these are the things what is happening in these 13 years, changing people's life. Please, 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 like the child 10th standard student going to the psychiatric for 11 to 12 months for some problem, but she never got the solutions, she never got healed. When she come here for 2 days workshop, in the 2 days she got healed. Again, it is a miracle. I'm not joking. And that mother just caught my hand, she started crying, ma'am, you are just my neighbor, I stay in your neighbor building, but I was not knowing that you are there in this building, because I was not doing much advertisement and all at that time. She literally cried and said, ma'am, why don't you just advertise, why don't you just spread about this, because we have a wonderful spiritual doctor so close by, but still we were running here and there for my child treatment. So like that, maybe that lady really pushed me to do all this, but she pushed me 1 year ago, but I'm doing this now. Okay, like the scientists, allopathic doctors, or any human being who is disturbed, whether emotionally or physically. Okay, Any happy person who simply wants to get connected to the divine being, maybe the person will not have any problem, but still the person will have the eagerness to get connected to the divine being, just to feel them, just to sense them, and to have the wonderful divine experiences. Yeah. Okay. And who's Mumtaz? If you have to say whether she's certified, that myself Mumtaz. No, I don't have any certification. There are n number of divine certification, the life lessons what I have. Okay. All the divine techniques have appeared in the dreams by the divine light beings. Okay. There is nothing, I have not done any courses to show that I am a certified healer. Okay. And my life has transformed in 1998. I would be talking about this maybe in the during the workshop. After that 1998, I never seen a doctor in my life for 18 years. I mean it. For 18 years, I have never seen a doctor unless and until when I have to deliver, that time I have gone to the doctor. Doctors are important for some particular treatment, not for all small. There are ladies, they like to go to the doctor if they have a backache, if they have a stomach ache. Why? These are your problems. You should dig into that. You should go into the root cause level. Why the problem has created? Because the God has given you that ability, but somewhere we try to ignore the ability of our soul journey. The soul capabilities we ignore, and we run after everyone to change everyone's life. No, please don't do that. And life has taught all the spiritual lessons from the childhood, so I'm here. So with a great life learning experiences, I'm here to serve the needy people. Okay. And myself, we have created n number of miracles during the workshop. Again, I'm telling you that. Okay. She goes with the divine flow. That is, I go with the divine flow. I am always, I never see the time when I'm during the workshop. I go with the flow. The main intention, the main mission is my people's satisfaction, the participants' satisfaction. They should be satisfied before leaving the healing heaven door. If anybody is knocking at healing heaven door, if anybody is calling, I always tell them, it is, you have been called here. If the time has come for your connection to the divine, then you will get connected to us. This is the 20 years of experience what I'm seeing. Yeah. Okay. How many divine techniques will be covered in this workshop? There are 7 divine techniques. You can read this out, and please go through the website healingheavenglobal.com. Each and every divine process I have given in detail and the benefit of that. Okay. If I have to talk about all this, it's going to take longer time. Okay. So go through the website, go through all the details and the benefits. Okay. It is going to help you to make the decision, the right decision. Okay. Okay. So if you have to ask like how many days, timings, fees and location of this workshop, we have 1 day workshop where you will be covered 2 processes. Okay. 2 processes will be covered. It can be weekdays or weekends, and the timings will be 11 to 6 p.m. and the fees, cost, Niya's exchange of energy is going to be 15,000. Okay. The location can be online Zoom meeting or offline in the center. You have to come to Mira Road for that. Then we have a 2 days workshop which we have been conducting since last 13 years. Is all the 7 process will be covered in this. Okay. Those 7 process details, benefits, you please see in the website healingheavenglobal.com. Okay. It can be weekends, Saturday, Sundays, because most of the people they have weekly off. It will be 9 to 9. I have just written 7, but it goes up to 9 to 9 p.m. Okay. Fees, cost, Niya's exchange of energy is 25,000, where you will get the complete healing process from the time you are born till the time your last breath is there. That is the healing processes what we have for a person. It's like the complete life healing. Okay. After this 7 process, after this 2 days workshop, I guarantee you that you will never run after anyone. You talk about health, you know how to heal yourself. You talk about wealth, you know what the process you have to do. You talk about relationship, you should know the process, how you are going to do it. You talk about negative energy, you should know how to remove the negative energy, whether from you, whether from your family member or from the house. Okay. So the location again, online Zoom meeting or offline. For that you have to come to Mira Road. Okay. Okay. So we have two workshop, that is 1 day workshop and 2 days workshop. In case you really need a personal workshop, you can talk to me personally on WhatsApp. And there are many people, they don't like to do the workshop along with others, so that also we take care of. It's depend on, like, person to person, if it is really important for you to just sit alone or during the workshop. So we conduct 1 day workshop and 2 days workshop. Okay. Like for example, if a person is suffering with any kind of ailment, physical ailment, maybe you talk about diabetes or you talk about any kind of, like, cancer or something, the person doesn't want to do all the processes. So that kind of people, like, you can just do 1 day workshop. But I always advise people to get cleans from all the aspect of life. When you talk about body, when you talk about mind, when you talk about soul, when you talk about spirit, when you talk about mental, it's like the complete 100% health what you're going to get in the 2 days workshop. 1 day workshop, they will be covering the particular part. Maybe it can be relationship, it can be money matter, it can be health matter, it can be negative energy matter. It's all up to you what kind of workshop you want to do, whether it's 1 day or 2 days. Okay. So I'm really happy once again to announce that Healing Heaven Global um, is trying to help those people who are in need of spiritual healing. It is very advanced level of spiritual healing with the help of the divine beings. Okay, I'm just acting like a servant. I'm just like a medium. Okay, so still I would like to say, please click the button below, learn more, go to the website, check out all the details and the benefits. Please go through all the testimonials. If your heart says yes, you need to get connected to us, please do connect to us, and we are here to help you. So I'm signing off now, and expecting this small information must have put some seed into your mind to think what step you can take. Okay, whether it can be for you, for your family, or maybe for your friends. Okay, please, if you feel that this message can be spreaded to your friends and family members who are in need, please do share with them. Okay, this is again a request, because you never know, this healing can able to help them to come out of the problem whatever they are going through. Okay, before finishing off this presentation, I would like to tell to those people who does not have much money, they have really genuine financial problem. Please do contact me personally on my WhatsApp number. The number will be given there. So please do contact me on the WhatsApp number. Maybe I can talk to you, or maybe one of the madam from the office, she might contact you directly. Okay, this is for those people who are really genuinely having problem, but having the eagerness to learn. I would like to see the eagerness. This is for those people. Okay, I'm saying. Otherwise, because exchange of energy is really important, because when you're taking some knowledge from somewhere, you have to give some energy also. It's really important. Okay, otherwise this is a very powerful karmic healing, because most of the people, they don't do the karmic healing. I have seen there are so many Reiki grand masters and pranic healers, the grand masters of pranic healers with n number of courses. When they come and tell me, ma'am, we have done so many courses, so many certification, but we have never felt this energy like this. So let me tell you, if you really have the eagerness to learn this, but if you don't have money, I'm here to help you. Okay, we can work on the options. Okay, otherwise, if you really have no problem with financially, if you can able to afford, please pay this niyas, pay this exchange of energy, and please come and get healed from your root cause level. Okay, thank you so much once again. I love you all, and please spread this to your friends and family who are in need. We have created the miracles, and we still would like to create more miracles in people's life. Okay, and I'm signing off now. Thank you so much once again, and I bless you, and be blessed with lots of love and light from the highest dimension. Thank you, thank you, thank you.